Yo, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite boy XFPK back again with another one. We finally got our funded next phase 2. They actually gave us the phase 2 this morning. It's now officially 5 days after passing phase 1. And I actually passed phase 1 in 2 days. Remember my last video, I said it that I passed phase 1 in 2 days, and now we have finally gotten the phase 2. And I'm going to be showing you guys my certificates and the message I got from FundedNext and my phase 2 on the dashboard of FundedNext. So we'll be heading over to my system right now, and I'll be showing you guys my phase 2 account. And hopefully we pass this phase 2. This is the forex market. Anything can happen at any time. Because you pass phase 1 doesn't mean you're going to pass phase 2. But if you are being careful in the markets, then you should pass phase 2. So we are going to be heading over to my system right now, and I'll be showing you my phase 2 FundedNext accounts. Let's head over to the system. So welcome to my system, guys. This is the Gmail or the email I got from FundedNext concerning my phase 2 accounts that I passed, phase 1 accounts that I passed. So they just gave me the phase 2 accounts. You can see FundedNext, congratulations, you are now officially an elite trader of FundedNext associated with the account 1128. You can see all those things, FundedNext, and they sent me, I think they sent me my certificates. Now this is the certificate. You can see my name, Rafael Idu, because I just passed phase 1. So they gave my certificate, FundedNext certificate, and that is it. I actually hopped on a trade on the phase 2 already. I got a trading setup. Hopefully it goes well for us. If it goes well for us, then it's going to be a good result for us. But right now, this is the account. Let me log into the dashboard and show you guys. Like this is what we do. Hopefully it goes well for us. Like this is the account right now. You can see I still have 5 days on the phase 2 for the phase 2. 5 days for the phase 2. Also, profit target 4%. That's $200. Permitted loss for the day is actually above 8% because I'm in a running trade right now. So this is the phase 2 account, and we are currently trading it. So we are going to see how it goes actually, and I'm going to get back to you guys on the results. Hopefully we're able to pass this account quick and fast, and if we are not able to pass it quick and fast, hopefully we're able to pass it at the end of the day. And this is the forex market. There's nothing that can be predictable and say, oh, we are going to be perfect, we are going to do this perfect, we are going to do that perfect. No, it cannot be said that way. Anything can happen in this market. So hopefully we end up passing the phase 2 account just like we passed the phase 1 and get funded. So guys, right about now, I will head back to my trading view and check out my trades, trade the phase 2 accounts with the hopes of passing phase 2. So guys, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on my videos. It really goes a long way for me. So don't forget to subscribe. So right about now, let's go and trade and make this money. See you later, guys. So guys, that is literally all for the phase 2 accounts. I just showed you guys that FundedNext just gave me my phase 2 account, and we are currently in a trade right now on the FundedNext phase 2 account. Like I actually got a setup to trade, and hopefully the setup goes well for us. If the setup goes well for us, then we should be in like a good profit for the phase 2, and we should have good numbers for the phase 2, aiming to pass it as fast as we can. But if it doesn't go well for us, then we should be down about 1 or 2%. Because I actually reached 2% on the trade. I don't like wasting time on my trade. So guys, please, if you like these videos that I post and you like what I do and you actually enjoy what I'm doing and you like the growth and the progress in this profit space and how I've been going, it will really be nice if you can actually like my videos, comment on my videos, and actually subscribe. Like I always say, it's not going to take you anything to just hit that subscribe button, and that's all. So just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to your favorite boy XFPK, and it's very encouraging to me because it encourages me to do more videos like this, and the more I see more subscribers, I get encouraged, more likes and more engagement on my YouTube space. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm going to be showing you guys the updates of how the phase 2 is going subsequently as we go. Thank you. Bye for now.